Welcome back. We've got our sketches and measurements all set now. Let's bring the full tech pack together and get it ready for the factory. Design info is your spec sheet. Fill in the design name and number, season, category, colorway, last, midsole, outsole, sample size, and factory name. Think of this as everything the manufacturer needs to know at a glance. In Creator Info, enter the designer name, phone number, email, and brand name. You can also upload your brand logo here, just drag and drop an image. This makes sure your tech pack is properly credited and ready to send. In Preview Sheets, you can arrange your design views, side, top, bottom, and back, by clicking and placing them wherever you want on the sheet. Resize each image to optimize the space and get the layout just right. You can also add text or upload additional images to customize further. Once everything looks good, hit Download for PDF or SVG, or Export Sheets to send straight to Google Sheets. And that's a wrap on Tech Pack. From your first design all the way to a finished tech pack, you've seen the full VRINGON workflow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.